Good evening, everyone. This is Mr. Kifita with English. So we are on what? Summary. Summary writing. Okay, summary writing. First of all, we are going to define what a summary is. What a summary is. We'll say a summary is the shortening of a longer piece of writing by gathering only relevant points and emphasis. Only relevant points. So we say a summary is the shortening of a piece of writing, shortening of a longer piece of writing, okay, by gathering only relevant points, okay, only relevant points. So how can someone succeed in summary writing? On this one, it depends on whether you have understood the question or whether you have understood the passage. So there are only two aspects here, okay? So successful, also we say success in writing a summary. Okay. So how can you succeed? It's about whether you have understood the question, or whether you have understood the passage. Okay. So if you have understood the question and you have also understood the passage, you are on the way, ready to be successful in writing a summary. So let me explain a little bit about, or rather, reasons for failure to answer summaries. Why do we fail to answer summaries correctly? One, we can say like these two examples can be included, or points. For example, the first one, whether you have understood the question or whether you have understood the passage. So which means the reasons for failure to answer summaries correctly are that failure to understand the question, that is the first point. Second, failure to identify relevant points. Third, failure to stick to the passage. What is the meaning of this? Failure to stick to the passage. Sometimes we are fond of following, being in a trap of including our own views when we are writing a summary. So do not fall into trap of including your own views, opinions, or ideas, even if you know very well the topic at hand. You just have to be limited to extracting only points given in the passage and not the points outside the passage. By doing so, you are on the way of, writing the good summary. Another point can be that failure to follow instructions. in whatever, instructions are very, very important. In terms of summary writing, you have to make sure that you use the required, or you write the required number of words. The words that you have been asked, those are the ones you can write. Don't write more than or less than, but at least in that range you have been asked or given. So if you fail to follow instructions, you are not going to have a good summary, or to score marks very well. We can also talk of okay,